middle of just doing some very simple makeup, although, I don't know, I'm feeling kind of inspired. I might like jazz it up a little more than I was originally thinking. I am in such a great mood because today is not only the first official day of spring break, but it is also 4 degrees, which is very warm. That's like the warmest it's been probably since like November, I want to say, maybe even October. And the best part about it is I have lots of like outdoor activities planned today. I'm going to, I think, 3 or 4 different apartment tours. And I'm filming a whole video about that, so I'm not going to include those in this video. But I'm just really looking forward to being outside in this nice warm weather. I can finally wear clothes other than like warm turtleneck sweaters and my giant black puffer coat. Also, this spring break was so needed. I've been so stressed and busy and feeling so overwhelmed. I'm so looking forward to having a week to like catch up on all the things I've been wanting to do. Like, I'm going on a walk with my coworker today. I'm gonna catch up on some reading that I've been wanting to do. Just like all of those things that have to get pushed aside when school gets too intense. I'm going skiing on Thursday. I'm so excited. I haven't been skiing in like 2 months now. I went skiing a ton over winter break, but I haven't been skiing ever on the East Coast, so I'm really pumped. The other thing that has just been great about this spring break, I mean, okay, it's like 10 a.m. I've been on spring break for like a few hours, but I've been doing an in-person ballet program like most mornings, so I'm waking up really early most of the mornings of the week, and I've just been busy, I've been tired, and so it's been really great not only to have free time, but to just like sleep in for once. It's been so nice. I'm gonna throw on some mascara and kind of see if I can remedy this whole situation. With mascara, I feel like it actually looks kind of fine. Here's my outfit today. I'm wearing this really cute like tweed green skirt from Princess Polly, simple white turtleneck, and I think I'm gonna throw on like a leather coat over top. I just picked up a whole bag of ski stuff from one of my friends, and it's actually such a nice day. Like, don't get me wrong, it's like gray and wet and gross, and like all the snow is all, you know, gross and melting, but it's actually warm out. Like, I'm actually outside, not in a puffer coat, and I'm like wearing a skirt. I'm just like so happy about this weather. I'm right near Gaspar's house, so I'm gonna go see if he wants to hang out with me. First day of March means construction season has begun. Okay, so update, it's snowing and my winter coat is back on. I'm getting coffee with my friend Dana.
Art moment with the roommates. Yeah, Emily's a real iPad girl. If you couldn't tell, she's in a Bachelor of Science. Yeah, Alena used scissors for me because I'm a freaking child, apparently. Nice.
Painting
my sky's
update.
done.
Nice. I
Matthias
like the
has done the
sunset.
sky. Let's
Thank
see.
you. It's my art.
Elena.
I'm doing a little sunflower field.
So far she's drawn.
I have a lot. I have a lot more sunflowers.
I'm done the background, but I put too much water. Look at the. It's very wet. Wow, wet ass painting. Triumph is a blue blob.
That does look kind of like Triumph's hair.
Yeah,
It
not
is
bad.
Triumph's hair.
We're doing stuff. We're working on it.
Quick snack break post watercolor. We're getting the house ready to film an apartment tour, which is very exciting. I don't know which video we posted first, but if I do the apartment tour first, I'll have it linked down below. Those 3 bites of unsweetened apples also to hit. Finished products. You didn't give them bodies.
I know. That was part of my art plan.
Very artistic.
Thank
Very
you.
nice. Here's mine. It's just like a nice little sunflower field. I kind of fucked up on the barn, but it's okay. Here's Emily's with Triumph. This is the inspo pic right here, and then here's how it actually turned out. Very nice, you guys. Look who came to study with me. What are you working on?
Short 5-minute presentation on the Civil War in El Salvador.
Unfortunately, right now I'm just working on catching up from readings and lectures from last week that I did not do because I was doing my midterms, so I'm not yet caught up. So my goal is to be leaving spring break ahead on my schoolwork, so I have a long way to go.
Yeah, I'm just one of the really best persons. Hey! Low key, Rowan in there is probably your best player.
This would be great to ski on.
Good morning. We're actually up and about pretty early. We are headed downtown to get a couple of things for skiing tomorrow, which I'm really excited about. Never skied in Quebec before. We need like goggles and hand warmers and a few odds and ends.
It's gonna be negative 0.5 degrees tomorrow.
Yeah. We are in the mall trying to find a sports store. Yeah, you have to. Just walk near them or run. We're in this like really cute little courtyard full of pigeons.
We did not get scared.
No, they were kind of unfazed. But these are all trees. It'd be way prettier in the springtime. At Sephora, I just picked up on everything I was out of. So this wasn't like anything new, just like restocks. This is my favorite night serum. It's the Drunk Elephant TLC Framboise night serum. It's fantastic. I went through an entire bottle, so this is like my second one. Then this is my favorite lip balm. It's the Milk Makeup Kush lip balm. It's my absolute favorite. It's the best lip balm I've ever tried. And then this was a little like 100-point perk. It's the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. I've been hearing a lot of good things about Glow Recipe, and this was only like 100 points or 200 points, so picked up that. Hey, update. I like tweaked throughout my back. It hurts so bad. It's like feeling much better now. It's been a couple hours, but I have just been laying in my bed all afternoon having Gaspar bring things to me because I fully like tweaked my back. It's crazy. That's never happened to me before. It happens to my mom like all the time. So I like called her up and she gave me like a ton of advice, did some ice compressions. It's feeling much better now, but I'm just like chilling, relaxing, and working on possible topics for my research paper. So it's been a decently productive day. I'm just snacking. I have one pierogi left. Matthias got me these from the Russian grocery store. They're very good. I like pelmenis more, like just the plain potato ones, but these ones are also very good. I was supposed to like go on a walk with a friend today and see an apartment today, but I just could not get out of my bed. So very boring afternoon for the vlog, unfortunately, but I'll try and make it up by having a fun night. No, I know. I'm like, where am I looking? Gaspar, come let me see your ski get up.
Should I put the windproof jacket or should I put the puffer?
I feel like you should go for the puffer. Oh, fantastic. I can feel, it's like fully a fish, it's like a fisheye. Wait, come closer again. Are you guys excited to go skiing?
Yes.
How was your guys' pizza?
It's great.
It was very good.
Rapid food.
Alena, is this all clean?
Yep,
In the bowl?
yep.
Yeah, you're even-
I almost dropped my entire plate of cookies. We are waking up nice and early to go skiing tomorrow. I'm so excited. It's been like 2 months since I've skied. I love skiing. I'm gonna end the vlog here just because it's negative 25 degrees tomorrow, so it's gonna be too cold for me to vlog anything. So I'll maybe throw up some pictures from our ski day, but I had a really nice like first half of break and I'm excited for what like the next couple days hold. I'm not looking forward to going back to school, but this has been a really nice and relaxing and wonderful break. So thanks so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.